see what George is doing back here. Maybe we can sneak up on him. George? Oh, didn't scare him. Hey, George. How's it going?
Hey, what's up, Josh? What are you doing?
Oh, just coming to see you. How
Just got a cleaning little
Yeah?
bird feces up.
I smell mothballs. I smell mothballs out here. Yeah.
Well, you good. I got a bunch of them out here.
Yeah, our goal is to eliminate these chipmunks around the pool this year.
You're behind the camera.
I'm behind the camera today, folks.
Yeah.
We're actually admiring the new, well, it's not the new pool, but it's open, right?
10 years old.
Put
About
the fresh water in there. It's brand new.
Saltwater pool, Josh.
Saltwater pool. We're actually just, speaking of the pool, we're actually discussing all the chipmunks that's been falling in this pool.
Gosh, dang those chipmunks. I tell you, they get in, they go around the pool, they get underneath the concrete, they get in there and they go, I don't know how far down, but I told you I put a hose in one the other day and for like 5 minutes, full blast, and it never did fill up the hole.
That's
So,
insane.
yes, it's nuts. I hate chipmunks. I just hate them. So, you know, the thought was to get some more mothballs, stick them down those holes.
You have to buy a bunch of mothballs.
Just keep throwing them down there. Just keep throwing down the mothballs.
Yeah.
And then I got 3 bags of topsoil today while we were at Lowe's looking at refrigerators. But that's another story altogether. And then, so when I get all the mothballs down there, I got to buy more mothballs. But when I get them all down there, I'm going to put the topsoil on top, pack it down.
Bam, pack it.
Pack it, and then see what happens.
Yeah. Now, George, how many chipmunks you got out of the swimming pool?
I mean, since we opened it,
Yeah.
which is just a few days, 2 of them. 2 of them.
2 chipmunks.
Yeah. A lot of times, and you'll find this out when you come and clean.
I
the
got to
pool
take
out.
care of the pool while they're on vacation.
Yeah.
So I'll be getting chipmunks, and
But you open the skimmers,
oh,
and if you feel down there, you feel something furry, that means we got another chipmunk in there. So I get maybe a chipmunk a week in the pool.
feel something furry, huh?
Yeah.
It's not the best sensation I want, sticking my hand out a dark hole, but
Now there are some people that use a hanger. They just get a hanger and they lift the thing up.
yeah.
You know, and do it that way because they're afraid of touching a dead mouse or.
Nah, I don't mess with a mouse.
Yeah.
You know that, George. You don't mess with a
No,
mouse.
you got a mouse out here before.
Yeah, but I picked the whole skimmer up. I threw it over there.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You threw it.
Miko.
Meeks, the star of the
Meeks.
show.
Well, George, what are you saying about that tree over there?
Well, I just feel like it's getting closer and closer to the pool.
Uh-oh.
Mike, how could you?
Don't worry, she won't go in there.
That's why she never played baseball.
Yeah. She just did air hockey?
Field hockey.
Field and air hockey. And foosball.
Foosball. You can't beat me in air hockey.
Oh, that's
That's a lie.
and ping pong.
I was a world champion in air hockey.
Oh, boy.
Oh. Oh, should I be filming this in case she goes in? Darn it. Mac, if you would have fell in, I wouldn't have laughed.
That's a lie.
I can't believe that. I was like, what in the world is going on?
They couldn't figure it out.
Filling up all by itself.
It's like a natural water spring.
So
It's almost out.
she's using the hose to fill up that dog pool over there. And she's way back there. We couldn't see. All we saw was the pool, water going in the pool. And we're trying to figure out what is going on.
I'm thinking maybe it was coming from the tree. But maybe the water, she sprayed water up there and it's dripping down.
That's a lot of water,
I
George.
couldn't figure it out, man. Did you hear it?
Yes, I did. Forever to rain.
Just put it down. Ah.
Did it get you?
Got me right in the finger.
You've been sneezing all day.
Oh gosh. Ah.
Oh, George. What happened?
Oh, I don't know. Everything with that. You know what?
What?
Heck. Oh gosh. Tell you, when you sneeze, you start sneezing, and it's like it triggers another sneeze.
Yeah.
Have you ever had that?
Yeah. You know, it's weird when someone else sneezes and then sometimes you might sneeze.
Yeah, well, you know that's very true with yawning.
Yawning, yeah, that's what I'm confused. I got confused. Yeah, when someone yawns.
I've never heard of that with sneezing.
That's why you look confused for a minute, didn't you?
Oh, I look confused. I had no idea what you were doing. But yeah, yawning. My wife, she yawns a lot. She
Yeah,
yawns like
my
every
wife yawns a lot.
30 seconds. You know it's not going to be long. When they start yawning,
Oh, yeah.
it's like they're done.
Yeah.
They're done for the night. So, yeah, I try to not yawn. I always learned years ago, like whispering. I learned that yawning is rude
Yeah,
when company's around.
yeah.
So I try not to yawn when company's around. You ever hear that?
No,
Really?
never heard of that.
Huh.
If I yawn, I just have to yawn.
I know, but
When people are boring talkers, it makes me yawn.
yeah.
Sometimes
How do
talking
you
about
think they
yawning
feel, Josh?
oh, makes me yawn.
Well, thanks a lot.
Sorry, no, it makes me.
Appreciate that.
How do you think they
Obviously,
feel?
I'm boring to you.
No, I
because
just
you're yawning.
no. It's
Oh,
when you bring up yawning, it makes me yawn.
Yeah, okay.
It
Well,
does.
You bring up yawning, it makes me go to sleep.
There's Skeeter.
Skeeter,
Oh, get off my fingers!
you
I got him.
one on you?
I got him.
Tell you, I don't like skeeters. I don't like those.
I'm about to go in
blood-sucking
because
son
yeah,
of guns.
I don't either.
Yeah.
George, well, this has been a good.
We ought to get our yard sprayed, but that could be a whole episode in itself. We need to come out here and spray it ourselves. You either spend $300 or just go out and get a $20 bucket
Yeah,
of
does it
something.
actually work though? When they spray?
When they spray?
Yeah,
I think
because
it
if your
does.
neighbor don't spray, but then you spray, how does that really help?
Well, I don't know. I don't know how they. It's like a visible barrier or something where they can't come across that.
Like the point of
Spray.
no return?
Yes. So, I don't know. It's like it's weird.
Yeah.
It's weird how life works.
Well, the skaters are getting us, George. Should we start
Skeeters
wrapping
are
it up?
getting us- Yeah, we should probably start wrapping
Well,
it up.
we had a good evening just sitting out
We
here
did.
relaxing, hanging out with the Shooting the Breeze family
And the truth.
and the Truth Master, George. And
Yes. That's all we offer.
yeah.
We don't offer a lot of, crazy, superficial entertainment or anything like that. We just talk about real life and offer the truth.
Hashtag truth.
Yes.
Well, we just want to remind you guys to like and subscribe to our channels, our YouTube channel. Also, our Instagram is shooting.the.breeze, and it's down below in the description. So it's right down there.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks for hanging out. We got some interesting videos coming up,
Oh, yeah. Oh, we got some big stuff. Heavy stuff.
heavy stuff over the next
Should we
month or
mention
so.
anything,
No,
Okay.
no, well, it'll
Not
be a
gonna mention
surprise.
anything. Yeah, let it be a total surprise. I think you'll be shocked.
Yeah, we'll have some good stuff, some
Good
random stuff.
entertainment.
So thanks, guys, and we're gonna wrap it up before the Skeeters take us away.
Yeah.
So y'all be blessed, and we'll see you later on this week.